Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say Tunis. The Arabic name of Tunisia is a country in North Africa located on the Mediterranean coast. Its capital is Tunis. The official language is Arabic and French is widely used. Tunisia is known for its rich history, including Carthaginian and Roman heritage, as well as its beaches, mild climate, and cuisine. Tunis, 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 Tunis. Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.